Want to make some ginger rose tea? I'll show you how. Come on. So let's travel outside the studio. All the landscaper is going to do is cut these babies away. So I'm going to take a few for myself. Ah, look at all these beautiful knockout rosebuds. Start trimming right below the bud. That way you can get the best flavor out of your roses. I'll take a few petals as well, because when those brew up, oh my gosh, the color. So much flavor in these buds. Got half a jar so far. I think we can do a little bit better. A full jar of rosebuds. Time to get these babies in and get them all dried out. Look how beautiful. So I lay them in my air fryer as flat as I can. I can't get over these colors. Oh, gorgeous. I did the same with some ginger that I cut up. Added it to those beautiful rosebuds. And add them to your most beautiful teacup for a nice cup of rosebud ginger tea. Once we let this steep for a little while, it really tastes a lot just like black tea. Look at that. I'm going to let it continue to steep for about 4 minutes or so. You can add a little agave nectar to it if you'd like, or just sip it straight. The final result? As you can tell from my face, delicious.